Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to switch account on eFootball. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To switch account in eFootball, first open the game in your device, and here tap on this Extras option at the top right. Here, select Support from the given options, then select Link Data. Here, make sure you are linked with Konami ID. Once done, open the game in your other device. Here, tap on these three lines and select Data Transfer from the drop-down menu. Here, choose Transfer Data linked to Konami ID account. Here, select this second option that says User Registered with their Konami ID. Now enter your credentials and you will be logged in your account. Or you can go to your game homepage, tap on Extras, and then tap on Support. Here, select Link Data, and then from this page, select Login with Konami ID and follow the on-screen instructions, and you will be able to switch your eFootball account. And that's it. So, that's basically how you can switch account on eFootball. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.